Please let us practice listening attentively. If you would like to read the script, we have provided the text in the description of the video. If we do not seek, we may not realize. Often, when we stop seeking, we realize. The wonderful paradox of life. Usually, we have to get tired first, to go on a search. After looking everywhere, only ourselves is left. Looking from divisions is tiresome. The fragrance of the restful unity starts ringing at the door of our essence. Self-realization blossoms when we realize that in essence, everything has always been wonderful. Naturally, it keeps on blossoming, it keeps on spreading the beauty of love, kindness, bliss, harmony. The aroma of a pleasant silence, the fulfilled serenity of spaciousness. When we finally allow ourselves total intensity to feel at ease, the splendor of existence is clear. If we are not holding on to anything, the holder completely relaxes. When nothing is on hold, everything is expressed. If the holder is not present, the realization may take its place. In self-realization, the concept of I is not present, only existence is present. When we accept everything in totality as it is, what is self-evident. The keen attention of our total intensity. Leaving nothing kept, all appreciated, everything thanked. Shows what always has been. The veil of the observer drops. The distinction of the observed is nowhere to be found. The immensity is aware of itself. Totality requires totality. It is not about analyzing, looking into parts, as an external observer. It is about synthesis, looking into the whole, from inside, as a participant integrated with it. We cannot separate the dancer from the dance. They are not two, they are one. Realization occurs on its own accord. We do not love by thinking, we love by being. To realize the full extent of what we are, we are. We do not think about it. We are it. When we are it, we are all there is. Not just a personality. It is what has always been. More than anyone realizing something, is existence rediscovering itself. What has disappeared is the false idea of a door, of an experiencer. It is the greatest realization. It is the source and the emanation. The indescribable keeps on beautifying. The existential preciousness is such that it keeps on pouring, on loving. The essence is what remains, is what prevails. All the transitory and changeable aspects are realized as such. To describe the indescribable we may say, existence, spaciousness, the indivisible wholeness, love, serenity, bliss, pleasantness, harmony. Our essence, our nature. Simply, the existential essence. Flowers are always indicating and sharing the intrinsic beauty and harmony we all live in. The present splendor of the preciousness. The cyclical nature of energy and interconnectedness. Acceptance, appreciation, and attention are not just beautiful practices. When they are naturally spontaneous and total, they are the key to all worthy treasures. If you found the content interesting, please press the like button, subscribe, and more importantly, share it. Thank you.